Thutha wa bururi wa Russia kwanirira gutambura icigo cia Donetsk na Luhansk ta mabururi kiumbe thengia acio gukorwo irie bururi-ini wa Ukraine, riu Ndugamano gatakati ka Russia na ngwataniro ya ruraya ikirie guthingithia wonjoria wa kimabururi. Umwe wa mathina maria matanyite kuhutia bururi wa Kenya gatakati ka mabururi mangi ni thogora wa iguru hari maguta na gas ya kuruga, kuona bururi wa Russia niguo wa gatatu hari wenji wa maguta thi yothe, riu ugikirirwo mihinga ya thogora ni mabururi mangi. Agitikanirie na undu uyu mutongoria wa bururi wa America Joe Biden ni agwetete ati hatiri undu tanganja bururi wa Russia ni wonanitie mito ya kurika bara-ini ino. Biden agitikira ati undu uyu ri no hoti wa guthoga thogora wa maguta thi yothe.
Defending freedom will have cost for us as well and here at home. We need to be honest about that.
Biden no gereire ati kungikinyanira bara ino ni guthie na mbere kwaya gukorwo na ihinda ria wonjoria kuhutio thi yothe, kuna maguta mahutagia honge itiganite rumwe rwa ciari ruhonge rwa iganda.
We're executing a plan in coordination with major oil producing consumers and producers toward a collective investment to secure stability in global energy supplies.
Kumariria Ndugamano ici ciambiriirie thogora wa maguta uragwetwo gukorwo wongererekete thoko-ini ya kimabururi na gicunjĩ gĩa 5 harĩ 100, undu ria wahanikire ria mwisho miaka 7 mihituku. Maya magithiaga na mbere ruhonge rwa kuramata thogora wa maguta rwa EPRA ni rwiraniire gutigirira ni rwakinyaniria wira waruo hari gutigirira Kenya othe ni menderio maguta na thitima na thogora mukinyaniru.
We are duty bound to ensure that all Kenyans have access to reliable energy.
That trajectory is worrisome, and so we need people to actually help us to scan the implication of this for our growth in terms of the usage of fuel to power growth. And so we are, in my mind, at a historic point, and it would not have been a better time to receive this report than today.
EPRA no igwetete thogora ya maguta gukorwo ehutitio na njira nene ni murimu wa COVID-19 undu ria roneka gucenjia ica ikuhi.
In 2020, total net domestic sales of petroleum fuels decreased by 9.6% to 4.7 million tons due to the cessation of movement measures imposed by the government.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV ritwa rĩakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.